Food be the only thing that has never wronged me. Sanibonani. Asiphekeni. Sipheka cow heels. Yo, this is a South African delicacy. We usually eat this with uphuthu or with pap, but this time around, I am just gonna like cha-cha. Ngiyijikijele ikhona phakathi, just to give it that vavavoom, yabo. So we are making what we call cow heel potjiekos. If you are a South African, if you know, you know that in South Africa, when we cook these kinds of food, anything goes. Anything goes. Before we go any further, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel, like this content, comment, and on top of it all, give us some love by watching all the adverts that will come with this video. Then bese siyagoqogoqoza siphenduphendule. Lalela ke, yabona ke le mili le ayilutho ngaphandle kwesinongo. So njengamanje le mili le idinga isinongo. Ayidingi into eziningi manje, izidingela nje aromat. Uthi cha nge-aromat. Uma uqeda lapho udonse your chili beef stock yaka aroma, your chili beef stock. Uvele nje uyivuthuzele phakathi i-beef stock yakho. Moqeda nge-beef stock already usuyifakile just a little bit of your favorite curry powder. Angazi ukuthi usebenzisani. Mina ngihamba ne-Raja all the way. Ngihamba ne-Raja nje all the way. Emveni kwalokho imili yakho iphelele. Iphelele imili yakho. Yabona ke is-secret in cooking the cow heels. The secret in cooking the cow heels is patience, bantasi. Is patience. You can never cook the cow heels without patience, because kufuneka athambe, abe mnandi, athi lushu. In such a way that ukuthi kube ngazukuthi ayabucuka ethambeni. Uthi mawuyidla, uyabona uthi mawuyidla. Yabona uthi mawuyidla izibushukele nje ihambe angazi. Ithi nje monco like that. You see that? Woo! Welcome to my home. Food is the only thing that has never wronged me. Wena wakwenzani ukudla? Ngixoxele yini nje okwayenziwa ukudla? Lalela. Food makes the world go round. Love you. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.